Hi, I'm going to show you how to use font glyphs in Silhouette Studio. Very easy. On your left-hand panel over here on your left-hand side, click your text box. Then over here, you would click this open text style. Click on the font you want to use. Click on your workspace. Type out the word that you're trying to work with. I'll use my name. And make it a little bit larger so it's easier to work with. So we're going to want to switch out for this one. This is Bohemian Spirit. We're going to want to switch out the S and the H for glyphs. So we'll get rid of the S first. To pull up your glyphs panel, again, still in your text style panel, at the top, see this fancy A right here? Click on that. And then go down to your S's. Bohemian Spirit has a massive amount for every letter. It was like 20 or something like that, maybe even more. So for this, for the S, we want a tail. So we'll use I'm going to use this tail right here. Okay, and then we need the H. And for the H, we need the head. So I'm going to go ahead and I will use, again, you can see for the H's, there's massive amount for that also. I'll use this one. Okay, so selected, switch that over. And then, so these glyphs are all in the actual main font for Bohemian Spirit. There is also Bohemian Spirit ornaments, which is a whole other font set. And in the ornaments, you'll find like all of the hangers and all kinds of different like little ornaments that you can add to this. But that is how you use the main heads and tails glyphs for Bohemian Spirit. Okay, have a nice day.